I don't know what it's about summertime, but I always crave seafood. And I really wanted to make some biryani, which is kind of like a rice and meat casserole. So I thought, shrimp biryani? Yeah, you're welcome. Let's get started. So first, we want to marinate the shrimp. For this recipe, we're going to use about half a pound of jumbo white shrimp. And now for the marinade, you're going to need chopped ginger, chopped garlic, and because it's seafood, we want to add in some lemon juice. And of course, a little bit of salt. For the spices, we're going to use turmeric, masala powder, and some chili powder. So every time I cook shrimp, I always remember this story. When I was in elementary school, there were these two boys that would always call me shrimp because I was the shortest kid in school. Well, every time they would call me shrimp, I would run up to them and kick them in the shin. So yeah, I like my shrimp with a little kick. All right, now we're just gonna add a little bit of oil, mix it all together, and let it sit. Now there are several variations to biryani. My mom's recipe is what we're making today because her recipe is the best recipe. And what she likes to do is actually stir fry the shrimp first to lock in all the flavor. So for that, we're gonna go ahead and heat up a little bit of oil and add the shrimp in. Now we're not gonna try to cook the shrimp completely, so just keep it under medium to high heat for about 3 minutes. So it looks like the shrimp is now turned pink and opaque, so we'll remove it from the oil. Now, time to make the masala. We're gonna use the same oil we cooked the shrimp in because now it has so much flavor in there. Add in a few cardamom pods, cloves, cinnamon, and 1 star anise because they're so pretty. All right, now for the onions. This is always a hard part because we have to wait for the onions to really brown. So wait patiently. Now let's add in our chopped ginger and garlic and add 2 green peppers. Because remember, I like my shrimp with a little. We're gonna allow this mixture to cook down a bit, and it's starting to smell so good in here, y'all. Okay, let's add in the spices. We're gonna put in some masala powder, turmeric because it's the popular trendy spice, some coriander, and here is my mom's secret ingredient, fenugreek. Fenugreek complements seafood perfectly, so we'll just add a little bit of that, but it's totally optional. Stir it all together and let it cook down. Now I'm gonna add in this diced tomato. You can do diced or sliced. Now the best part, the shrimp goes into the masala along with some water. At this point, lower the heat to medium and let it just do its thing. I am so excited to eat this. It smells so good. All right, now we're just gonna add in our chopped cilantro and just stir, and that's it. So like I mentioned, biryani is like a casserole, so we're gonna need a casserole dish, and we're gonna put in our delicious shrimp masala first. I went ahead and made 2 cups of basmati rice. Comment below if you want me to show you how I made it. Now, layer all the rice right on top of the shrimp. And we're gonna just place some butter on top. Now this is something I like to do. Put in some saffron strands along with some rose water and let it sit for a little bit. And we're gonna just add it to the top of the rice to give it that pop of golden color. All right, now let's place it in a 350-degree oven for about 20 minutes. And it's almost ready to be eaten. Oh man, you guys have to try this at home. You're gonna thank me. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button, and as always, thank you for watching. Now I'm gonna go finish this.